Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing. This is my August Bella Box. I totally fell off the bandwagon with filming these unboxings, but we've got August for 2018 here. So if you're interested in seeing what I got this month, then just keep watching. So looking at the card, this month's kind of theme is a beauty reset. There's kind of a lot of skincare items. There's one makeup items, but the rest seem to be kind of like skincare and hair care vibe. I think it's probably based on like bringing things back to the basics. So let's just dig in. So the first thing I pick up is another card. We don't normally get like two cards. I don't know what this is about. Bella Box word search. Find a makeup brand that all Bellas will be receiving and fill in the blanks for a sneak peek of what's coming in your September Bella Box. Everyone gets a Tarte. Bella Box is bringing out Tarte. That's so exciting. I hope it's something good. Oh my god, can you imagine if it was a Shape Tape? I know it's not going to be the Shape Tape, but can you imagine if it was a Shape Tape? That would be amazing. Okay, awesome. So it looks like we are all going to be getting a Tarte product next month. Oh my god, I cannot wait for my September box now. Cool. So the first thing I see in this month's box is the Sand & Sky Australian Pink Clay Flush Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. Now this is what it looks like here. It's just a little sample size, 10 grams. Now I have tried the Pink Clay mask before, but this is the treatment. I didn't really get on with the mask. I mean, I felt like it did a really good job at mattifying and extracting kind of oils off my skin and everything like that, but it just stung the absolute crap out of my skin. If you're interested in seeing my review on that, I'll leave it up in the cards so you can check it out. But yeah, I'm interested in giving this one a go, though my skin might have just been going through like a crazy sensitive stage, so hopefully this one won't be as stinging. But it just says this is the Sand & Sky Pink Clay Flush Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. The millennial mask that you've seen all over the internet has a new sister. Meet Sand & Sky Flush Perfection Exfoliating Treatment with the brand's signature Australian Pink Clay. This 5-minute treatment resurfaces skin while absorbing excess oil for super smooth, even tone and mattified complexion. I'm all about a mattified complexion because you guys know I have super oily skin. So yeah, I'm really interested in this one to go. I'll probably do like a video on it. Let me know down below if you'd be interested in seeing that. So yeah, I'm happy I've got this one. And the full size retails for $59.99. You can get it at the Sand & Sky website. Next up I see is another skincare treatment. This is the Canvas Rose Otto Overnight Intense Moisture Mask. This is what it looks like here. So people would either receive this or the, what does this say? Or the Rose Otto Facial Hydro Gel Mask. So I've got the Overnight Intense Moisture Mask, which is awesome. I don't really have any masks that are like designed to be overnight. Most of them are just kind of like you leave on and then rinse off. So I'm really interested in trying this out. Considered as the queen of flowers, Rose Otto is an ideal ingredient for moisturizing, firming and toning the skin. It will improve your skin's texture, making it appear smoother, softer and younger. Perfect for your beauty reset. The Overnight Intense Moisture Mask retails for $79 and it's available at canvasbeauty.com. I don't have any masks that are designed to wear kind of overnight, so I'm really interested in giving this one a go. Anything that can improve the hydration of my skin and help to even out my skin tone, I am all for. So yeah, this is awesome. Looking forward to giving this one a go. Next up, we have a hair care item. This is the Cocoa and Eve Hair Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. Now this is a 5-minute treatment that has taken the beauty world by storm, enriched with raw virgin coconut from Bali and fig essence. Take your hair back to where it started, soft, hydrated and free from damage. So I'm all about that. I have really frizzy, damaged, dry, snapping hair, so anything that I can get to help repair my hair, I'm all for. Hopefully this will be my new miracle product. We'll see. Next up, we received a full size. This is a liquid eyeliner from Mellow Cosmetics. An essential to any makeup lover's collection, the precise felt tip on this liner makes getting any liner look really simple. They had us at long wearing, but this formula dries so quickly it won't smudge or transfer. Time to master your flicks and wings for those striking eyes for every occasion. So I'm going to open this up and we will see the opacity of it. So this is what it looks like. And then just the felt tip pen at the top. Let's just see how opaque and dark this is. Wow, that's black. That is really, really, really black. I'm really impressed with that. And it says it's smudge proof, so that has literally been on there for like 2 seconds and it's already dried. Awesome. I'm really impressed with this one. I will look forward to giving it a go. If you watched my last video, I'll leave it linked up in the cards, but I am absolutely obsessing over the Sigma, was it the Wicked Gel Liner with the EO6 brush. I suck at winged eyeliner, and the combination of those two are just helping me so much. It's what I used to create my wings today. Guys, it's not the most amazing wing liner that's ever been done, but for me, pretty damn good. I'll be interested in giving this one a go. I've used these felt tip like pens before and I just am not very good at using them. So I don't know, we'll test it out. But at the moment I'm liking the gel application with a brush over a felt tip, but I'm always willing to give things a go. And this one retails for $22.50 and it's available at mellowcosmetics.com.au. Next up I see we just have a little primer. This is the Revlon Youth Effect. This is the Fill and Blur Primer. I've actually seen this in store and I was interested to try it out because I'm up for anything that's going to blur my pores. So that's cool. I'll definitely use that one. And then last item we have is another skincare item. It is the La Roche-Posay. This is the Tolaran. I'm not really sure on how to pronounce it. Caring Wash. This is your new daily facial cleanser to gently cleanse and remove makeup without drying or irritating sensitive skin. The full size retails for $26.95 and it's available at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse. I love La Roche-Posay products. If you suffer from acne-prone, sensitive, dehydrated but oily skin, the Effaclar range I absolutely love. My sister loves this range here. She has really sensitive skin. Like the poor girl, like anything that she tries that's new, she gets an allergic reaction to. She can't go have facials done. She even has an awful reaction when she gets her hair dyed. It is just the worst for her, but she can use this line here. If you have really sensitive skin and you do suffer from a lot of like allergy breakouts due to skincare and things like that, definitely give this one a go because like I said, my sister's able to use it and she is the queen of skin allergies. So I'll probably pass this on to her because I know that she loves this one and I'll be sticking with the Effaclar range. So guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this month's Bella Box unboxing. If you did, don't forget to leave me a big like, thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.